Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the cinema today. I'm Muhammad Dae, and today we have a very special guest, the winning Oscar film, Mr. Naval Fasya. Good afternoon, Mr. Naval Fasya. Thank you so much for taking the time to meet with us today.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's a pleasure to be here. Thanks for having me.
We're so excited to learn more about your wonderful film about Lucky, and of course about your journey as a director. Shall we begin?
Of course.
So the first question is, when did you first get the idea for the film?
Well, the idea came to me 5 years ago. I was inspired by a real life story from a small town I visited.
The following question is, when did you actually write it?
I wrote it during the pandemic, so I had quite a lot of time to focus on the writing.
Why wouldn't the major film companies take it on?
Interesting question. They thought the story was too risky. The story was small, emotional, and didn't seem commercial enough.
So what is the story about?
The story is about finding hope and luck in unexpected places. The main character goes to a hardship but never gives up.
Next question. Why do you think people like it so much?
I think the people like the film so much because the film was honest and relatable. Like everyone has a moment when they need a little luck in their life.
That's good answer. And before we get to the next question, I think we should get some air while interviewing. So let's move on. So the next question, what challenge did you face during the making the film?
The challenges we had was we had very little small budget, so we had to get creative on making the film, but somehow the film got more authentic for me.
So how did you choose the actors for the main roles?
The actors, I want the real emotions, so I pick the actors who had the similar struggles on their own life.
Did you expect Lucky win so many Oscars?
Honestly, not at all. We were shocked. It was a low budget film, and somehow I think the heart behind it touched many people.
How has success of Lucky changed your career of your life?
Honestly, it opened a lot of doors, but it also reminded me to stay humble and keep making a meaningful story.
So for the last question, what messages do you hope that the audience takes away from your film?
Oh, such a good question. The messages I want to spread away for the audience is that even in the darkest times, there will always be a light, or maybe a little of luck.
So that's for today. Thank you so much for taking time with us, and once again, congratulations for your amazing success with Lucky.
Thank you. It's been wonderful talking to you.
So that was Naval Fasya, the talented director behind Lucky. This is Muhammad Dae for the Cinema Today. See you next time. Peace out. what messages do you hope the audience take from the film? Mr. Nova Fasya, please come back here. I wanted to interview you. So much.
The messages I want to spread away for the audience is that even in the dark times, kenapa diputar-putar, Pak?
So much. Congratulations again for the successful film with me and the cameraman. Salah, sok improve aja.
Oh, bleh.
But also winning Oscar film director, the best director.
Thank you. Pleasure to be here. Thank you for having me. You're right.
Good answer.